Hi everybody, it's Poochie. What's your puss? Oh, you can see him today. Elvis up here. I'm really not good at this. So we are doing an unboxing video today of some thrifted stuff I got from places that, you know,
shall remain
I got sources. This should all be vintage, probably. Let's see what we got.
All right. Gotta work on it. That's cool.
Why don't you hand them to me and I'll hold them?
Yeah, I think so.
This is cool. I don't know if this is a mountain tee, but it looks like a mountain tee. Spiral. I might need my glasses on because the old lady eyes. Look how cool that is though, guys. Oh god. So all these should be 70s, 80s, 90s, Y2K. There may be some newer ones in here if they were cool. I am having so much fun, can I just tell you, buying vintage t-shirts. It's like reliving my youth. Long time ago. This one is an older Chicago Bulls. It's got the Delta Pro weight, which is, I think, I don't want to say. I don't look stupid. I think 90s are Y2K, but I don't want to look stupid. I do that enough already. On the Fruit of the Loom tag, yeah, this is cool. I got this because the graphic, look at that. Phoenix Energy Services. Betsy, can you see? Oh God, no, yeah. You have the dog. The dog is here.
Louie, hi.
This is the mascot dog. If you see my channel mascot, oh, this one, same thing. Oh. If you see my channel mascot, that's him. Not her chest. Him, right there. Little baby. Spoiled rotten. Okay, what is this? This is a ACM 1899. Now I'm just going to say I do not think the shirt is from 1899. This is new era. I don't know what this is.
They didn't have color back in 1899.
This is some sort of a... Oh, it's a soccer. AC Milan. So it's a soccer like warm-up jacket. That's cool. This is a Reebok. Not sure what this is. Edmonton Eskimos. So it's the NHL. No, it's a CFL. Canadian Football League. Oh, nice jacket. That is a nice jacket, guys. Oh. So I have an injury to my finger that I'm soaking today, and I almost put that in the saline soap. It would not be good. This is a Disney Parks.
No way.
Yeah, Walt Disney World jacket. Cool. Let's wear this and go to Disney World and see where we can get in. That's cool.
Is it like an employee jacket?
Don't cut the dog.
I won't cut the dog.
Don't cut the dog. The dog is like...
He's helping.
He's not helping.
Okay, now he's done.
Yeah, thank you. God. Louie, come over here. Get in your drawer. The dogs have their own drawers. Their own beds in my drawers.
Holy man. They wrapped them all together.
It's like a big, huge...
Wow.
You got to take that apart because I can't even do anything with that.
This person knows how to pack for a trip.
Yeah.
Holy cow, man.
They're rolling, folding that stuff.
This is
Bill's.
That's impressive.
The Bill's shirt, it has the tag is the NFL Originals tag.
That's a cool shirt.
Yep.
What?
I love when shirts, they smell like oil sometimes. because of how they're made. Sturgis.
Wow.
2007. So technically that's Y2K or around. I mean, not technically, but because Y2K would be anything dated 2003 and beyond, because vintage is 20 years. Vintage is 20 years, antique is 100 years. So, but some things you can say vintage if it's like 2007.
So Y2K is 2003, 2002, 2001?
Yeah, anything before 2003. Like
Okay.
on Etsy, if you list things on Etsy, it says 2020, 2004 or sooner. So,
Oh, okay.
so this is Detroit Lions. Sue. You know what this is?
This is so...
It's a boy named Sue.
Is there a song for that? Is that a song?
Why do people watch my videos? It's so stupid. Okay, this is cool.
That looks like a reed.
This is a Hurlin tag, Hurlin, Los Angeles. It says City San, okay, and it's sanitation, city sanitation. So it's Los Angeles sanitation.
What?
Check this out, though. Walk America. Look, Bureau of Sanitation. You got all these friends from all walks of life. They are walking for the Bureau of Sanitation.
That's cool.
Lame. That shirt is lame. Oh, and all of these, most of these, almost all of them are single stitch as well. This is a Hanes 50/50. Oh my God. Feel how soft that is.
Yeah, you can like see through it. It's really soft. Yeah.
This shirt, wait, you can see through it.
Yeah, it's so light.
Guys, do you see me? 1982.
What?
1982. Oh my God, I wasn't even born then.
I wasn't born then.
We were both born then. I mean, how big are we going to lie? The Velveteen. Oh God, this is so cool. This is very like, it reminds me very much of old Macintosh computers.
Yeah.
Stevens Institute of Technology. This is, I think this is 80s. It is on the Velveteen. It's single stitch. So if you want to see the stuff we sell, go on eBay, Poochie's Pickers, Poochies, Pickers. We also have stuff. We also have it on Etsy. We have stuff on Depop. We don't have everything on every channel, but we have everything on eBay. We have stuff on Depop, Etsy, Mercari, Poshmark, and now a few things on Grailed. Port & Company, Matco Tools. Oh, this has got a cool back hit. You see that?
I like that car.
Look at that.
What
at that.
What kind of truck?
Hot rod.
Oh, it's a box in a box. Okay.
I haven't been doing as many videos because I've been sick. So I haven't been going out. I mean, I went out a couple times thrifting because I was dying to.
Oh, wait.
But I haven't, like...
That's not this. That's the eBay.
Oh. Well, that's something completely different.
That's big.
So, I haven't been going out and thrifting. I've been just kind of buying online because I haven't felt well. Some sort of bronchitis, sinus infection. And I gave it to everybody else.
Thank you.
I thought that was nice.
Thanks for sharing.
Oh, this one's cool. What is this? What is this? Oh, this is the mountain. Oh, look at this one.
What?
Yeah, look at this one.
Ah,
Black Panther.
that's cool.
It's a nice size, too. It is. I think it's an extra large. 3 extra
I was
large.
going to say it looked big. Like
Woo!
sausage.
Look at that.
Climb and curl up in that.
Nice. Okay. This is the one. It was so weird the other day. My best friend Stacy passed away, 17 years ago. And she was from Hawaii. You know this, Betsy. You don't have to go, And there was all these weird Hawaiian shirts in this auction the other night. And they were like very specific Hawaiian shirts, like things that we had talked about, obscure things. It was so weird. So I bought this one, like her favorite drink, and then like these shirts that she told me she used to wear all the time. They all used to wear in Hawaii. And then this one, which we had many conversations about, the Humu Humu Nuku Nuku Apua'a, correct pronunciation, by the way, which is the little fish with the big name. And this is the Humu Humu Nuku Nuku Apua'a shirt. This is Crazy Shirts, and I don't know how old this is, but it's vintage, I'm sure.
That's cool.
Yeah. So it was so
cool.
weird.
Yeah.
Right? It was so weird. It's like it was the same. It was an auction. It was the same auction, and it had like her favorite drink, and that like a few other things. I was like,
the red dirt shirt.
Yeah, I was like, okay, I see you. I see you. This is on the All Style AAA tag. Ooh, oh, this is cool. Yeah, because this is a vendor for Monster Jam.
It's on both
2015, but a vendor for Monster Jam. It has Gravedigger on the front. You see there, Gravedigger has it on the back too. Well, who knew?
It's double-sided.
And this one is another Monster Jam shirt. I think it's an all style. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, both are the same. That's cool. Nice big graphic. It's big.
That's what she said.
I'm going to have to make this video 18 and over. Man, you stop that. That is not okay. This is on the Machiavelli tag. Oh, this is 4X.
That looks bigger than a 4X. What is that?
Okay, so I think this is Tupac.
What?
Has a rip. Damn it. Has a rip right there. I don't know if you can see it. It could be easily sewn up. But, ooh.
Oh, okay. I see it.
That's a big one.
That's like those Scarface
Size
shirts.
medium. No, size 4X. That's a cool shirt.
Remember those Scarface
That's a cool shirt.
shirts?
Yes.
They're like nice.
This is one of the promo shirts that came out when the movie came out, so it is older. I can't say it's vintage. And I can't see. But it's the Iron Man 2 AC/DC soundtrack.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, pretty cool, right?
That's cool.
I'm still trying to get buy a shirt that Justin will want. Is that it?
This last one.
Justin has decided, I used to buy him really cool shirts all the time, and now he's 18, and he's decided that Mom, he needs to buy his own clothes or, tell us what he wants for Christmas or birthdays and be very specific, because just any old shirt won't do. So this one is cool. This is a Treasure Island Las Vegas biker shirt. Woo, look at that. Look at that on the Treasure Island tag.
Can I see the front of that? Sorry. I can't see.
Your dog morphed.
I know. Oh, that's cool.
Isn't it?
Oh, wow.
And it has like the ships where they used to do the show out front.
They
I
don't
think
do
they
that.
still have ships. Do they still have ships at Treasure Island? I think they do, but they don't do the show anymore. Yeah. Which sucks.
Yeah.
This is Mushi, everybody. Hi, Mo. He used to be all black. Now he is old. And his hair, when he grew older, his fur did not stay black like mine did.
With the help of Miss Clara.
Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, I hope you enjoyed all this. Number one, and remember to buy low, sell high, and subscribe. Where are we going today, Betsy?
The bins.
Going to the bins. Bye.